Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a real challenge, how to save $1,000 in 30 days. Now here's the deal. I know it sounds impossible, but trust me, it's not. Stick around because I'm going to break down 10 actionable steps that will help you reach this goal. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, paying off debt, or planning a dream vacation, these steps are your roadmap to success. Let's dive in. Before we dive into those steps, let's talk about why saving $1,000 matters. Saving $1,000 isn't just about numbers. It's about peace of mind. Having that kind of financial cushion can give you a safety net. Think of it like building a strong fortress. It's not easy, but once you do, you feel secure and ready for whatever life throws your way. This video is about showing you that you can do it. So if you're ready to take charge of your finances and build that fortress, hit that like button. Let's make this happen together. Now let's start with the basics. Step 1. Track every dollar. To save big, you need a clear view of where your money goes. For 30 days, keep track of every dollar: wages, bills, coffee, subscriptions, everything. You might use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or good old pen and paper. The key is to see where your money goes. This way you spot areas to cut back and really understand your spending habits. Step 2. Commit to a no-spend challenge. For 30 days, focus on the essentials, things like rent, groceries, and transportation. Skip the non-essentials. No eating out, no impulse buys. Treat your wallet like it's on vacation. Use what you have for 30 days and resist the urge to buy anything new. You'd be surprised at how much you can save. Step 3. Cut the daily luxuries. Think about your daily routine. What small luxuries can you live without for 30 days? A $5 morning coffee, daily treats, or frequent takeout. These small things add up. For example, skipping that $5 coffee could save you $150 in a month. Instead of these luxuries, find free or low-cost alternatives. Enjoy nature instead of paid events. Have picnics or potlucks instead of expensive dinners out. These changes might seem small, but they add up fast. Step 4. Start a quick side hustle. To boost your savings even more, consider a side hustle. It doesn't have to be a big commitment. Think about your skills. Can you babysit, pet sit, or tutor? Or if you prefer working online, try freelance writing, graphic design, or social media management. Even an hour a day at $25 could earn you $750 in a month. And if you stick with it, who knows, maybe it'll become something more. Step 5. Create a savings-first budget. Here's a game changer. Instead of paying bills and saving what's left, pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, set aside a fixed amount, say $250, into a separate savings account. Treat this as a non-negotiable bill. Do this weekly, and in 4 weeks you'll have saved $1,000. Remember, saving is a journey, not a sprint. Some days will be tough, but that's where your support comes in. Let me know in the comments if you're tracking your spending, trying a no-spend challenge, or cutting daily luxuries. Share your progress, struggles, and wins. We're all in this together. Also, if you found this advice helpful, hit that like button. It means a lot and keeps me motivated to bring more of this content. Now let's wrap up part 1. To save $1,000 in 30 days. You're already on the right track by watching this. But to reach that $1,000 mark, we need to level up. That's where part 2 comes in. I'll reveal 5 more hacks that will supercharge your saving. They're not just about money, but changing your mindset. So if you're excited for part 2, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out.